Hello, welcome to the Basics of Facebook, specially geared towards artists. So this video will be divided into chapters. If you are interested in shuffling back and forth and referencing different chapters, the chapters are time-stamped in the description box below. So let's get started. First is how to tag people, and in this case would be maybe how to tag your artist friends. So I run a Facebook online art auction, and to help promote the art auction, I tag other art. As you can see, they're highlighted in blue. The names are highlighted in blue. That means that the tag is active, and the when I tag them, this post, which promotes the art auction, this same post will also show up on their profile page. The same exact full post will show up on their profile page as well, so that it's posted to their communities. So let's get started on how we do that. Here is where I want to post. And I want to add a photo. Well, in this case, I'm not going to add a photo for this demonstration. I'm going to show you how to tag people. So you type in your post, and in this case, I'm copy and pasting. Okay, first we're going to tag these artists. So yes, you do need to use the @ symbol. So there it is, this person's name, and that's the first artist that I wanted to tag. And you can tell that you've tagged the person because it's highlighted in blue. So you do have to use the @ symbol, and then you start typing the person's name, and it will bring up their name. And this is the second artist. It showed me right here. It brought up her name actually after the third letter, and it brought up her name. That's the next artist name. Okay, type the @ symbol, start typing the artist name, and that was the next artist. So I'm just going to list 3 artists here, but the blue highlight means that you have tagged them correctly. And then I'm not going to hit post because I don't want to publish this, but as I showed you previously, once you hit post, you'll know that your tags were properly made and are active, because they'll go from being highlighted in blue to becoming blue. The names will become blue. So next, in this same post, I'm going to show you how to tag a group. Now, the function of tagging a group is that this post will not show up in the group feed. It will not show up in the group feed. The function of tagging a group is that whoever's reading this post, once they hit the name of the group, it'll take them right to the group. So here I'm going to start typing my art auction name, which is Serenity Studio Art Auction. There it is. I just typed the first 3 or 4 letters, and Serenity Art Gallery Auction. And there it's highlighted in blue, so I tagged it correctly. And what happens is that in the post, that will just take you to the group. Same as if you clicked on these people's names in the published post, it would also take you to their Facebook page, and then it would show you that, unless they have tags turned off. Some people have tags turned off, so that if you clicked on their name and went to their Facebook page, you would not see this post. But if they have tags turned on, this same post should show up on their page. But for this auction, for tagging groups, that's not the function of tagging a group. It helps the people in a post to just go to the group. For example, let's go to one of my older posts. So here I had tagged Serenity Art Gallery auction here, say. Now I'm going to click on it. And it's the same thing, like, actually it does, what I'm saying is that this post will not show up in the group feed, whereas when you tag a person, your post will show up in that person's, on that person's profile page. But this post tagging a group, this post will not show up in the group feed. What it does is I automatically can go, and it's saying, do you want to visit the group? And yes, I want to visit the group. You want to leave this page? And yes, I would want to leave the page, and there it took me to Serenity Art Gallery auction group. And as you can see, that post was not posted into the group. That's not the function of when you tag a group. Another thing that you can tag is this, where you comment on your own post. You're going to do this by commenting on your own post. So it's at highlight. As you can see, I already have done this 2 days ago, and it shows you 2D. That means it shows you 2 days ago. The tagging rule is you can only do this once a day. So that's once every 24 hours, and you can track that by here because it'll say when you did it last. Did you do that 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago? When was this comment made? 4 hours ago? It'll even say 21 hours if it was 21 hours ago. So unless it says 1 day, abbreviated by 1D, the tag really won't work. It needs to be the tagging rule is once a day for this that's called at highlight. So I had done that 2 days ago, and at highlighting a post, which really means you're highlighting a post, means that some of your friends will get notifications saying that you have highlighted a post that may interest them. Not everyone, but some of your friends will get that. So here, let's just do that as an example. I'm going to click the at symbol, and actually it's the very first thing that comes up, at highlight. Some friends might receive notifications of this. And it's highlighted in blue. And I'm not going to publish that, but let's just delete that and hit the at symbol again. And you can see the other thing is I never use this one. It's called at commenters. Some commenters might receive notifications, and I usually never use that one. So that wraps up all the different ways of tagging, using tagging, which tagging is, notifications. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red button, the red subscribe button underneath this screen. And remember, this has been divided into chapters, so you can reference chapters by going to the description box below and clicking on the chapter that you want to review. They're all time stamped. Thank you so much for watching. And let me know down in the comments below if you have any questions. I'm very happy to answer any questions.